What's get you guys? Every South Indian breakfast cannot skip at least a day in a week without upma. When it comes to vegetarian, super healthy carbs and protein sources, semolina or rava would be the first choice I would make. Our today's story begins with a bowl full of semolina with some curry leaves and coriander. It tastes awesome if we have some peanuts and green peas. And no South Indian dish can be left out without mustard seeds. And finally, our basic veggies, onions, tomatoes and green chilies. And a squeeze of lemon cannot be forgotten to have a spicy, tangy mixture of upma. So next, let's get started with a frying pan on a low flame. I would highly recommend coconut oil to have that extra nutty aroma. If you don't prefer it, well, you can go ahead with normal refined oil. Once the oil is heated enough, you can go ahead and put the peanuts inside the pan. After around 30 seconds, you can add the mustard seeds inside the pan. Peanuts and upma should be fried enough, otherwise the whole dish would lose its charm. So, once you feel it's fried enough, you go ahead and add semolina to the pan. Fry it till you get this crunchy golden brown mix. Now comes the veggie part, which you should chop finely, almost like this. Have a vessel of water above the flame. The quantity should be almost 4 times the semolina which you have taken. Now we are good to go with a pan with some oil on the flame. The turmeric and curry leaves will give intense flavor to the dish. After a little saute, add those spicy green chilies. Those finely chopped onions and green peas can be added after a gap of 2 minutes. Once those sweet onions get the brown texture, you can good to go with some juicy tomatoes. After the raw flavor goes out and becomes like this, you can add the boiled water. Now get ready to mix those crunchy fried brown mixture which we have made before. Also add some salt along with this. Let it boil for another 5 minutes and then you can squeeze those tangy lemon. Let it cook by itself for another 5 minutes and garnish it with chopped coriander with a good stir. After some time, we are ready with super delicious upma.